Corsair approached us and wanted to build a system with their new Corsair H170i Elite capellix CPU cooler. So we're going to do that today to see why this is one of the best CPU coolers on the market right now. But before we get into that, don't forget that we have 1 week left for our $1,000 Karma giveaway. I'll leave that in the video description. And while you're over here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. Let's get into it right after today's video sponsor. To activate all of Windows features, head on over to whokeys.com. Purchase a Windows 10 Pro OEM key for as little as $14.93. That is a fraction of retail price. Use offer code IFR25 for 25% off. Copy your key from the user center and paste it here to activate. Alternatively, by clicking here, you can follow their step-by-step guide. You can now enjoy all of Windows features.
In the front row, kicking back old school tracks like damn. Can't get enough of this mode, like I don't even know where I am. Ooh, baby, get hyped to the beat, let's go, cause this is our jam. This is our jam. Let's go. In the front row, kicking back old school tracks like damn.
you have it, guys, a nice clean all white custom Corsair PC build. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, consider hitting that like button and consider subscribing. I'd also like to know down in the comments below, what colored lighting would you have wanted for this PC build? As always, I'll leave the specs in the video description below if you want to find out more. We appreciate your support, guys, and if you'd like to support us further, Patreon or YouTube channel memberships is the best way to do that. I'll leave a link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.